Hello everyone, once again you're welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how to bleach our palm oil with chemical. You look at it, this is palm oil turned to bleached palm oil. This is how the oil was, and see the result of it. Today I'll be using just one ingredient. Yes, you have heard of all kind of method before. I'll be using one ingredient. Just sit back and watch. Okay, I know you're going to learn a lot in it. Okay, this is the palm oil we're going to bleach. You can see how reddish the palm oil is. Okay, and I'll be using just one ingredient to bleach it. You don't have to wait for minutes. You don't have to wait for hours before getting your palm oil bleached. I mean, within 5 minutes you'll be seeing your palm oil as bleached as the initial one I showed you, the one you have seen before, how it is bleached. So this is our palm oil. I have about 300 grams of palm oil here, and then lo and behold, I'll be adding this. You can see that chemical that I'm adding to it. I add the chemical and then turn it, mix it. That's all. Within 5 minutes your palm oil is bleached. Just watch, stay back and watch to the end. You will see the chemical used now. Okay, so what you do, just stay back, watch to the end, and you will appreciate you came across this video. Okay, just to tell us, if today is your first time of coming across my video, please do like it, share it, and then if you are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe. To my returning subscribers, I say thanks so much for all the time you watch my video. You are awesome people. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe. And I have that ebook there, very interesting, value packed. I mean value packed with different kind of recipes there that you can sit down at home and go through it and get it right. Okay, if you look at the bleach, the palm oil, you can see that it's already changing color. It's not as reddish as it is. There's already reaction going on there. You don't have to stress yourself with waiting endlessly before your palm oil is bleached. Of course, you have learned this. Bleaching with chemical is faster, it's easier than using your fire to bleach your palm oil. So all you need to do is just bleach it. Sorry, just turn it, keep turning, and as you turn it, you'll be seeing the color changing. Okay, we can see it like that. It's no more as reddish as it was. Under 5 minutes your palm oil is bleached. And if you look at the initial sample, which we are still going to get with this one, how you can be deceived to say it's PKO, except you perceive it. It's as clear as some of the PKO you buy. Okay, so just stay back and watch. Then you can reach me on the line written on the screen for one-to-one training, live session training, physical training, online training, and of course I have a free training group online too. Just reach me with that number, and of course if you get to my description, you will see the link for the free class there. You can join us there, of course, and you have much to learn there. Okay, still waiting for the palm oil to completely bleach. Of course, you can see it's already changed. The difference is clear from the red oil. This is what we are expecting. Yes, this is what we are expecting. You can see it's getting there gradually. Okay, there's progress already. You can see it. You can see it. Have you liked it? Thank you for liking it. I appreciate you. Out of many videos you have chosen to watch my own, I appreciate you. Wow, look at our palm oil. Look at our bleached palm oil. Can you believe this? Can you believe this? Thanks so much for watching till now. God bless you.